Hello, my name's Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita, and I'm back with our Luganda lesson. So today's lesson, we are going to learn about informal greetings. Informal greetings. Mbalamusizaako amanya gange nze Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita era nga ngenda okubasomesa Oluganda. Era nga leero tugenda okuyiga okubuuza okw'olukale. Okubuuza okw'olukale. Kati katutandike. Let me start with how are you? How are you? In English, you greet me by saying, how are you? Or how are you, Judy? Then in Luganda, you say, oli otya? Oli otya? Or oliyo otya? Oli otya? How are you? Oli otya? Then the response will be, I'm fine. I'm fine. In English, you respond by saying, I'm fine. But in Luganda, you say, Jendi. Jendi. Gwe oli otya? Jendi. Gwe. Gwe oli otya? Same as this. How are you, Judy? How are you, Judy? In Luganda, you will say, oli otya, Judy? Oli otya, Judy? I will say in English, I'm fine. I'm fine. In Luganda, I will say, Jendi. Jendi. Gwe oli otya? I'm fine. I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? Because when somebody greets you, you also greet back. So you say, somebody will say, how are you, Judy? How are you, Judy? I'll say, I'm fine. How are you? I'll greet that person back. In Luganda, you say, oli otya, Judy? Oli otya, Judy? Judy will respond by saying, Jendi. Gwe oli otya? Jendi. Gwe oli otya? Okay, let's move on. Like here we say, hello. Hello. In English, you say, hello. In Luganda, you say, chi. Chi. Or chikati. Chi. Kati. Chi. Hello. Chi. Chikati. Okay. Then the response will be, the response in English will still be hello. 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 In Luganda, it will be chi. Tewali. Tewali. Or no, you say tewali, then you greet back by saying chi. Gwe. In English, you approach me and say, hello, Judy. hello Judy, and I'll respond to your greetings by saying hello, hello Sam. But in Luganda, you come to me and say chi Judy, or chikati Judy. Judy will respond by saying tewali chigwe, tewali chigwe. Hello, 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 hello. Chi tewali chigwe. Those are some of the informal greetings. So some other words I can teach you today, or some sentences. For example, I can say have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. In English, I'll say have a nice day. In Luganda, I'll say the same word by saying siba bulungi. Siba bulungi. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. In Luganda, we say siba bulungi. Siba bulungi. So that is singular. But if you are many, still, in English, I'll say the same word, have a nice day. Have a nice day. But in Luganda, I'll say, in plural, musibe bulungi. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. One person. Still, when there are many, still I'll say have a nice day in English. But in Luganda, I'll say siba bulungi. Siba bulungi. That's one person. Siba bulungi. If the people are many, more than one, I'll say musibe bulungi. Musibe bulungi. Okay, let's move on. Another word, sentence I can say, have a good journey. Have a good journey. Have a good journey. Have a good journey. In Luganda, I'll say have a good journey in Luganda is tambula bulungi. Tambula bulungi. Have a good journey or have a safe journey. Tambula bulungi. That is singular. Singular. Tambula bulungi. But if the people are many, I'll say mutambule bulungi. Mutambule bulungi. Tambula bulungi. One person. Tambula bulungi. If there are many, I'll say mutambule bulungi. Mutambule bulungi. Okay, let me get another sentence. Goodbye. 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 In Luganda we say weeraba. Weeraba. Goodbye. Weeraba. Weeraba. That is if one person. Weeraba. But if there are many, we say mweraba. If there are many, you say mweraba. Mweraba. One, weraba. Weraba. Many, mweraba. Mweraba. Then you say good night. Good night. In Luganda, we say sula bulungi. Sula bulungi. Good night. Sula bulungi. That is one person. But if there are people many, you say musule. Musule bulungi. Musule bulungi. That is when there are many. Musule bulungi. But if it's one, you say sula bulungi. Sula bulungi. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for listening. Leero katukome wano, tunaddamu olundi. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala okuwuliriza. Mweraba, mweraba.